Good morning, and how you people are doing? Thanks for being here. We are back again with another amazing video. As I donned my welding helmet and ignited the spark of creativity, I found myself immersed in the world where metal transformed into intricate masterpieces, a symphony of molten inspiration and the solid craftsmanship. In the dance of flames and the steels, I uncovered a realm of possibilities for my metal welding art that transcended the boundaries of conventional design. As you slip on your welding gloves and ignite the flame, a world of possibilities unfolds before you. The canvas is molten metal, and your imagination is the only limit. Imagine crafting a metal sculpture. Each weld is a deliberately brushstroke in the masterpiece that blur that line between industrial ruggedness and the organic beauty. With every twist and turn of a metal branches, you are sculpting natural resilience in the face of beautiful steel. Take a leap into an abstract where a dance of sparks create a dynamic metal wave. The rigid material seems to defy its own nature, embodying the fluidity of a life, constant change. In the glow of welding flame, you shape a symbol of transformation and expression of mobility inherent in the solid structure of the metal. Transition to the functional side of art with the sleek and the modern metal sculpture and the projects you weld become a seamlessly joints that bring together form and functions. As you stand back to admire your creation, you see not just a table but a conversation piece that effortlessly blends into a contemporary living style and the space. Yet the most enhancing and the enchanting journey lies in the cosmos. Picture yourself welding together a celestial inspired metal wall art piece. The spark became a star and the metal transformed into a planet. In a cosmic dance of the creativity, hang the finished masterpiece on your wall, and suddenly your living space is a portal to the vastness of the universe. In the symphony of a spark and the steel, you discover that metal welding art is not just a craft, it's a story waiting to be told on a molten metal. Each project is a chapter in your artistic exploration, turning raw material into a narrative and the beautiful, and you can make a breath of life into every essence of the metal as you embark on your welding odyssey. Remember that you are not a craftsman, you are an alchemist, shaping story with every weld, and your journey is an ever evolving adventure in creativity. Imagine the satisfaction and the forging a metal garden structure where the cold uniliding material and the transformed into a blooming flower and twisting vines. With every weld, you are just creating art. You are coaxing life and the vibrancy from very heart of the metal. The garden become a testament to the beauty and that can emerge from the most unlikely of place. A juxtaposition and the industrial strength and the delicate elegance. As you venture further into your welding exploration, consider the allure of kinetic metal structure, picture wind chime, and causing your creation of to come to life. Its moving part and gentle rotation captivating onlookers. The grid nature of metal become a paradox as your sculpture gracefully respond to the subtle rhythms of the breeze, leaving a lasting impression of dynamic artistry. Now let your creativity soar into a realm of functional design with a custom metal bookshelf, welding together a sleek geometric pattern and the flowers, hearts, and the many other things like beekeepers and you can consider the challenging and the rewarding repurposes discarded metal into a upcycled masterpiece, perhaps an old bicycle frame transformed into a unique wall-mounted, and the old cylinder and the old you can also use old rebar to make a beautiful owls and the human shapes to join some nut bolts. The journey of a metal welding art is a continuous exploration, a dialogue between the rigid and the fluid, the functional and the abstract. With each project, you are not just manipulating metal, you are expressing stories, emotions, and ideas that resonate with the observer, so you immerse yourself in the dance of spark and steel. Let your imagination run wild and forge not just object but experience the linger in the heart and mind of those who behold your creation. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching. Have a nice journey.